I'm going to create CSV file on Mac OS without using Excel. I use textEdit on MacBook. Then I search textEdit. Before creating new document, you have to click on textEdit here and go to Preferences. By default, the format is rich text. You have to change it to plain text and close the preferences window and create new text document. Then you can type your comma separated values. Please subscribe my channel. Don't save file here. If you save here, it will create text.txt file. The extension will be .txt. Then you can close using close button. Then this window will appear. There is a checkbox here. If no extension is provided, use text. Uncheck this one. Then if you don't mention the extension, it will create a .txt file. I will give a name for my CSV file. Then I have to enter the extension as .csv. It should be simple values. Then save it. Then comma separated value file is created. You can view it. Thank you for watching.